hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use the undo and redo command, and for that purpose I've already set up a bit of data. And essentially what the undo and redo commands do is what they say on the tin. You can undo your last action and you can redo an action that you've undone. So if you have a look up here, this is where you have your redo and undo buttons, and I explained this that yes, you can customize this stuff, but this is the default, so chances are you're going to find them here. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcuts, which would be Ctrl-Z for undo, and you can't redo it now, but Ctrl-Y for redo. And I do want to start out by pointing out the can't redo. So you can't duplicate actions in Excel. So the reason why there is no redo here is because we haven't undone anything. And by that I mean, if I type 4 here and move one cell to the right, you can't make it type 4 there into the blank cell again by doing redo, because you can't duplicate something that has not been undone. And the best way to demonstrate this is by just doing undo, and so now that one's gone, and now you see redo is no longer blanked out. So if I now press that, it will put number 4 in the cell, but again you then cannot go further in the non-existing history. If you want to undo a number of things, you can click on the down arrow here and it will give you all the history that you have done since opening the spreadsheet. And if you undo a whole bunch of things, and I'll just undo until here, whatever that may have been, then you can start redoing individual ones. But what you want to keep in mind is, if I redo everything apart from typing into 4, and now I do something else. So remember, I could redo typing 4 in here. Now if I do something else and just type 8 here, that breaks the whole pathway. So if you do that in the middle of a process that has outstanding possible redos, you will lose that pathway. So I can no longer go back to having the number 4 in J4. Even if I come back here, I can only type 8 into J8. I can't type 4 into J4 by means of redoing. So I hope you get the idea with this one. It's a bit possibly convoluted, but think of undo and redo as a straight line with mini stops in it, and if you break the line you lose whatever is still outstanding. So that's undo and redo. Remember the keyboard shortcuts being Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Y. So thanks for watching. The next video is going to be showing you the search and replace, and do watch if you don't know how to use them. So thank you, and any comments you may have, drop them into YouTube please. Thank you.